How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and today we're actually out on a Maiden of the Mist tour here at Niagara Falls, and it should be a lot of fun. We just boarded the boat, but while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you can keep track of our adventures around the country, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So, like I said, we just boarded the boat, and you can see behind me here the beautiful water. Weather's absolutely nice. It's sort of about 70 degrees, so it's a nice temperature. This is the falls right here where all that mist is at. So we're about to sail out there. I actually have a top spot on this two-story boat so that I can get really good views of the falls from up there. But yeah, it was about an hour wait to get onto this thing, but I think it's going to be worth it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some videoing over there right against the falls so you guys can get a really good look of what that looks like. And yeah, I'm going to try to have a good time. I will see all of you after the falls. Well, we just finished our ride and it was absolutely beautiful. Got really wet. They give you this cool little blue poncho to wear while you're actually on the boat. Helps protect you from some of the water. But yeah, no, this was totally worth it. It was like $25 a person, and because we had the RV, we had to take it over to the RV parking lot, which, because we were staying in the area, the camping thing gave us a free stay or a free parking at that parking lot for the RVs, which was really nice, because otherwise it would have been $20 a person. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Just wanted everybody to see how beautiful the falls were. We're heading off to my home state, Ohio, next, actually the Cedar Point area in Upper Sandusky. And yeah, I will see all of you on our next adventure or at our next campsite. So be easy, everybody.